So I'm staying at my sister's house and she's got this fancy air fryer oven, toaster oven. It does all the things. But what I've got here is some leftover cauliflower pizza. I really don't want it to be soggy. So microwave is so not a choice. There are so many settings. So I picked pizza, and then I saw over here that there's a little temp/time button. So you can actually twirl this and lower it down. So I'm gonna go down to 400, I think. Yeah, let's stick to 400. I think if I hit it again, yeah, and we're just gonna go 5 minutes, and that should be sufficient. Go ahead and put the center rack on the bottom and almost like a cookie sheet type of deal in the center with my pizza. And we're just gonna push to push play. Perfection. Oh, so good. Highly recommend this guy.